Hey everyone, I figured I'd give a quick update on the Take-Two investment. Plain and simple, it's going into the shitter. We're down at below $122 a share. We bought in at $128.88. The stock did well, rising right after the most recent game release they had. Some loot box controversy, some other issues going on within the company and their subsidiaries. Recent controversy with China. I don't know how much Take-Two is directly affiliated with any of that, but the video game industry as a whole has seen a decline. I'm going to keep releasing these videos. I'll probably do it every 2 weeks now. We won't go over specific numbers. We'll just kind of show the charts. You guys can see what's happening. And I'm going to assume that as soon as Take-Two has another big game that's going to be released, we'll probably see that stock start to come up again. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the stock in there. We're going to keep letting it ride. I'm going to still hit that initial 90 days and see where we end up at. Thanks for checking it out.